I'm here with our Jansen Wall Solutions J-Slim Demountable Partition. Its fully modular design allows you to pop apart the aluminum extrusions, lift out the glass, and relocate this system to wherever you need it to go. There's no required demolition, none of the drywall has to be relocated. The system just simply pulls out and works with whatever flexible relocation needs you may have. These are our work optimization doors. They telescope to the sides. They have soft start, soft stop, hardware built into them, and they just allow for a wider opening without swinging and taking up space inside of the interior of the opening. But the system itself here is a black powder coat finish on the panels, but we can finish to any powder coat color you could imagine. We also have wood systems as well that have a similar look with single panes of glass. Give us a call if you'd like to do something similar and provide reconfigurable office solutions